How to withdraw money from the Swiggy app, and is it possible? If you open up the Swiggy app here and log into your account, you will need to click on your profile icon found in the top right corner. Once you click on your profile icon, you will see these options. You will see saved addresses, payment modes, my refunds, and Swiggy money. If you click on Swiggy money, it's going to show you your balance, which you can use to shop for food. You can use it for Instamart, Dine Out, and more. But there isn't an option to withdraw your money. If we go back and go into my refunds, it's going to show you all of your available refunds, which will be directed to the payment source. So basically, if you receive a refund, you will not need to withdraw it, but it is instead going to be directly sent to your original payment method or payment source in this case. So that is how you withdraw your money. You request a refund and the money will be withdrawn into your initial payment method. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.